To check Venmo security, follow these steps. First, open the Venmo app and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings and then scroll down to the Security section. In the Security section, you will see various options to enhance the security of your account. One of the key concepts to understand is two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. To enable two-factor authentication, select the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts to set it up. You will be asked to choose whether you want to receive the verification code via text message or email. Another important concept is account monitoring, which allows you to keep track of all transactions and activity on your account. To monitor your account, select the Transactions option from the menu and review your recent activity. In addition to enabling two-factor authentication and monitoring your account, there are several best practices you can follow to enhance Venmo security. One of the most important is to use a strong and unique password for your account. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date, and consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. You should also be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your Venmo account, as these can be vulnerable to hacking and other security threats. Finally, to add an extra layer of security to your account, consider enabling the in-app notification feature, which will send you a notification whenever a transaction is made on your account. This can help you quickly identify and respond to any suspicious activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly enhance the security of your Venmo account and protect yourself from potential threats. Remember to always prioritize security when using online payment services and take the necessary precautions to safeguard your personal and financial information.